alive to record the ongoing work here at Oraukwu. The work being done attracted by J.I. Ejison, Chinyereze, Bakana Barora, Igwe, our illustrious son and the Oraukwu giant striker. We thank you. God bless you.
Engineer Joseph Tidofo Kolo, my name. The site engineer in the project.
My name is Sunday. I'm operator. It's not easy to do earthwork on rainy season.
Okay.
So, but we are trying our best.
Okay, my name is Engineer Morgan Affordum. I'm the project manager handling Ejison International doing this project. Tell us about the ongoing project. We started the project last year and we've done a lot of job on the road. You can see we've done like 80% of the concrete work and maybe 60% or 50% of the earthwork. The MD is doing whatever he can within his limit to make sure that we conclude the project this year. Actually, there was no road there. It was a little track road, and that's small culvert over. Actually done by the villagers anyway. When Ejison attracted this project, the essence is for the agrarian community, the people that do agriculture here, to be able to bring out their goods. It links Oraukwu and Nimo. Also, it reduces the traffic at the junction, Okacha Junction, during festive. Okay. It's a double cell culvert. It's the design that the consultant brought, because the government, they designed the road the way they want it. They are the people designing, they'll give to the contractor to execute. So this is exactly the design they gave to us, and it suits the road perfectly because of the grade of flood that passes here. Promises on delivering this road, owing to the fact that the government have not yet mobilized this project anyway, but I can see that the job has been done 60-70% without mobilization. So delivering the job will not be a problem, because the person that is doing the project, J.I. Ejison, is capable of doing the project. For the lasting of this road and the bridges, normally the ministry designs their road for 15-20 years, 25 years. I'm sure the road will last beyond that because it's solidly done. You can see our earthwork, you can see our concrete work. We are doing everything possible to do it to standard, because this is our community.
Kedu ka obi dị unu ndị na-arụ ọrụ ugbo n'ụzọ a na-arụ?
Ọ na-atọ anyị ụtọ. Ọ na-atọ anyị ụtọ ka arụ anyị ka anyị nwee main road wee na-eje n'Imo.
You can see the bridge well cast and perfected. 2 waterways, the concrete work are all perfect, very strong. Pavement casted both sides of the road. This is the road leading to Uruamada, already done. Obiezu house, already done and perfected. Very good work.
President General, Oraukwu Congress, Oraukwu Progressive. There's a very wide difference between what Chief Ejison is doing on that road, that's on Nimo Road. They don't care whether there's rain or not, they continue to walk. I went there recently, I see that they are still working. On behalf of the Oraukwu Congress, the Oraukwu Progressive Union worldwide, we are telling him that we are very grateful, and God will continue to bless him.